This is for selected product ID, sorry. Where you're capturing the product ID here. Yeah, anyway, edit. So if you observe, user init, it is failing. Why it is failing? Because when I say product ID is not found on that page, in the runtime data you will see what? Category is found, but product ID count is 0. Right? So when product ID is 0, you won't be able to capture the random product ID. So here first of all, client says you need to put a condition. When you select any category, first you need to check whether you have any products or not. If products are there, then only you should proceed. Otherwise, it should go back and select some other category. So when I, for example, in retail application like Amazon or something like that, in real time, there could be multiple categories, hundreds of categories, right? So when I select one category, if that is empty, your script should not stop. You should go back and select some other category. If that is empty, go back like that. You need to implement the logic. Okay. So how do we implement this? Let us go back and check. So here what is happening? First condition is I want to put a condition right here. So from where I am capturing the category I am capturing the random somewhere here, right? This fine. Yeah, here you are selecting the random category. So when I select the category, so here I am selecting the category. Here I am capturing all the product IDs. You can see all the product IDs. So if product ID count is 0, so if there is no product means what? Here the count will be 0. So it should not go and select the product ID. Here, nav to category. If there are no this should not be executed, right? So here I need to put a condition saying that, so my script should not fail means here I'll put not found equal to warning, so that my script will just have the warning here, and it will check if the product count is 0, it should not execute. Means here I'll put a condition saying that if I'll put what I need to put the condition based on your product count, right? So how do I get this product count? First I'll check whether the product count is, when I go to the category, here I'll check if the product ID's count should be greater than 0. So simply here I'll put a condition. What is the condition? Based on where this is product IDs. So whenever you see here, it will generate some product IDs underscore count. Here it says somewhere here, you will see product, yeah, this one, this variable we need to capture. I want to put a condition, simple condition. Yeah, here I need to put this random category we are saving, right? Random product here. This is the condition I want to put. Can I use like this? No, right? I should add to the product, it should make the payment, everything. If the product is there, then only, right? Till checkout, pay now, everything I can do only here. Else I want to put a message saying that products in the selected category. So if you want to display the category name, you can display also. Right? So how do I display? Anyway, what category you are passing? LR underscore eval underscore. Which random category you are passing, right? Whatever you are passing, that I'll put it here. So what happens here? If there are no products, it will display that product name. Okay. So let me run this. Compilation. What is the compilation error we did? What it says? Product ID is found undeclared. Why it is saying? Can we directly use product ID? No, right? It's a Loadrunner variable. So what I need to use? LR underscore eval underscore string. Right? Now when I compare, sorry. Still it says error. What is this error? Pointer to char means what? This is a by default string, this is integer. So what I need to do? Put A to I, simple. Now if I run, let us see. Now you can see no match found for the specified query product ID. Okay. So this is not found. So what it does? It is not going there. Sorry, here I should say not found equal to warning. Right? Now let me run this. Now you don't get error, but what is happening here is if you observe, there are no products in the selected category. Okay, I'm passing the category, random category, right? I should have passed the category name. Oh, I think we cannot get the category name. Yeah, this we can get, I think. Script is not failing, but it's just saying that there are no products. But my requirement is what? If there are no products in the selected category, it should go back and select some other category. That is my primary thing. This is error handling. Your script is not failing, but what is happening here? If you observe, it says there are no products in the selected category laptops, right? When it says there are no product, actually it should go back and select some other random category. How do I make it possible? How do I make sure that it will go back and select some other product? So where you are doing this random category, where you are getting here, right? there are no products here, this one, right? So what I want to do is, when there are no products, it should go back and select another random category. Where you are getting the random category? Here, right? First time it should directly select any random category. From second time onwards, if there are no products, it should come back and select some other random category. So there is, you have to use these functions like go to functions. Okay, so what I'll do is, from second time onwards it should go back, right? So here I'll put a condition, here I will put category. This is like, works as like a function. Okay, if I put this without any condition, I'm putting here, right? So what happens, let me put the toggle point here and toggle point here. I'm running only one iteration. So here what it is saying, random category 4, I put a toggle point here, right? Now let me run this. There are no products because intentionally I'm failing. So now it says there are no products, and okay, I forgot to use that function, sorry. I need to go back to that function, right? So here I have to use go to, simply put that category, this, where I have declared as a separate category, right? This one, that's it. This go to function will make sure that it will go to that category. Understood? So now when I run, here I'll put a toggle point. Okay. Right, since there are no category products, it will say so in the random category, in that category let us assume there are no products. In the headphones there are no products, so now it is going back to some other category. Headphone, there are no products. Now this time it is going to speakers. Here also no products. The problem here is this will run in a loop. Let us it won't